Welcome back to Automotive News Channel, where style, practicality, and driving excitement come together. If you appreciate cars that combine sporty looks with daily usability and tech-rich cabins, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and smash that like so you won't miss our next review. Today we're looking at the 2026 Volkswagen Golf R-Line, a hatch that leans sporty in design, comfort, and features without going full-on performance. Ready? Let's dive in. Front design. The 2026 Golf R-Line adds sharper and more aggressive styling cues compared to standard Golfs. Up front, there's a sportier bumper with more pronounced air inlets, R-Line badging, and often gloss black or dark chrome trim on the grille frame. LED headlights are a given, paired with LED daytime running lights, giving it a crisp, modern face. The styling imitates higher performance Golfs, but with a cleaner, more refined look. Side design. Along the sides, the R-Line trim emphasizes sport with unique alloy wheel designs, often 18-inch R-Line specific, lower side sills, body color mirror caps, and subtle style upgrades like synthetic leather or better upholstery. The stance is subtly lowered versus base trims, giving a more planted, dynamic profile without sacrifice in ride comfort. Rear design. At the rear, expect a sport-inspired bumper, possibly with a diffuser look element and dual exhaust tips, or styling trims that mimic that look depending on the market. Tail lamps are fully LED, matching the front's precision. R-Line badges and subtle trim accents distinguish it from base Golfs. The hatch design remains clean and functional. Interior design. Inside, the Golf R-Line upgrades the cabin with sport seats, heated, sometimes ventilated depending on market, better upholstery, synthetic leather, or Vienna leather in some regions, R-Line branded steering wheel, and trim enhancements like piano black or chrome. Display screens are modern, around 10-inch infotainment, possibly with larger screens or more tech options in upper trims. Ambient lighting and driver profile modes are often included. Comfort features, climate control, better sound insulation, etc. make it a pleasant daily driver. Engine specifications and performance. Powertrain for the 2026 Golf R line varies by region, but typically it features a 1.4-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing around 110 kilowatts, 150 HP, and torque in the approximately 250 Newton meters range in some markets. The transmission is an 8-speed automatic, or DSG in some countries, driving the front wheels. Acceleration to 100 kilometers per hour is modest, roughly approximately 8 seconds or more, depending on trim and weight. It focuses more on style and comfort than outright speed. Fuel efficiency is good. In markets like Australia, the R-Line does approximately 6.3 liters per 100 kilometers for combined driving. Ground clearance is around 134 millimeters, sufficient for regular road use, and towing capacity is about 1,500 kilograms when braked, per regional specs. Safety and driver assist tech are included as well. That wraps our look at the 2026 Volkswagen Golf R-Line, a hatch that hits the sweet spot between visual sportiness, refined interior comforts, and efficient everyday performance. It may not be full-on hot hatch, but if you want style, tech, and elevated driving feel without sacrificing practicality, this trim delivers. What appeals most to you, the sporty design, the comfort upgrades, or the efficiency? Leave your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, subscribe, like, and ring that notification bell to catch our next crossover or performance hatch reveal. See you on the next ride.